Somerford Associates partners with AWS Marketplace. Our project delivery focuses on three key functions. 1. Our solutions. A range of best-in-class solutions innovating in data, operational efficiency, and security. Our people. With vast experience and fully certified in our partners' solutions, with a dedicated in-house support desk. And our customers, spanning a range of industries including FTSE 100 plus central and local government. We have a dedicated and security-cleared public sector division. We are recognised under multiple government frameworks, including G-Cloud. AWS Marketplace is a curated digital catalogue service that simplifies functions such as software discovery, procurement, provisioning, and management. It allows quick product evaluation, improved governance and cost transparency, and enhances control over software spend. Somerford are an APN partner. Check out the resources on our stand and website, including recorded webinars, blogs, podcasts, and white papers to learn more about Somerford Associates and AWS Marketplace.